Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Following are the features of inhibin except. So, one, in the following are features of inhibin except inhibin is non-steroidal, water-soluble protein. True, it is secreted by Graafian follicle. True, it stimulates FSH secretion. Actually, it inhibits FSH secretion. Increase the secretion of inhibin occurs in polycystic ovarian disease. This is also true. So, this is the false statement. Then probable source of relaxin is ovary is the probable source of relaxin. Then statement. Then probable source of relaxin is ovary is the probable source of relaxin.
Relaxin is a peptide hormone and it is produced by the ovary. If the corpus luteum is in the options, then relaxin is produced by the ovary. To be specific, it is produced by the corpus luteum of the pregnancy. So if corpus luteum is in the options, then we should answer corpus luteum as the choice. So this relaxin is produced in corpus luteum, ovary, placenta, decidua and chorion. So the levels of relaxin are found to be raised in the first trimester and it declines in the second trimester. So this is important for maintaining the early pregnancy.
thank you and thank you for watching.